Today I'm going to make myself a nice egg sandwich. I've got most of my ingredients ready for it, but the family's already eaten, so it's time for me to have a nice Sunday fun day. Is it Sunday? No. So, it's time for me to have a nice Saturday morning breakfast. So, I'm going to make a fresh jalapeno aioli with some cilantro and a jalapeno, a little bit of onion powder, garlic powder, and that's about it. So I'm going to cut this pretty thin and put it in my mortar and pestle so we can grind it down. I'm going to blend up the cilantro with it. I would put a little bit of lime, but I don't have it. I kept the seeds in because this is just for me, so I want a really nice spicy aioli for my sandwich. My breakfast sandwich. Then you just take your mortar, punch it down. Smells so good. We've got a lot of jalapenos growing outside. I'll be using those pretty soon in some videos to come. Okay. That's perfect. Some just regular aioli. I'm going to throw a pinch of onion and garlic powder. Like that. Take my jalapeno cilantro. And add just a little bit of salt, not much. We just let that sit and meld for about a few minutes before we make our sandwich. As you can see over here, I got my cheese bun of preference. I love. I'm gonna toast those up. I got my cheese cutter ready, my tomatoes. My bacon is done, and I'm putting hash browns in this, so it's kind of like a farmer's sandwich. Okay, so we got some eggs. Okay, got our eggs. Put this stuff away. I'm gonna give my grill a spray with oil. Like that. These eggs are huge. Hopefully our chickens will be doing us eggs soon. So we don't have to buy these eggs. Pepper in my eggs. And we're gonna go for a nice over medium. Okay, we're gonna give her a flip. Let's see if we can do it. Oh, look at that. Beautiful. Okay, while that's finishing, we can come down here, dress our sandwich. Some nice jalapeno cilantro aioli. Both sides. Perfect. I'm going to take some of the hash browns, put it in the bottom. This is an all-in-one sandwich. Got your toast, your eggs, your hash browns, your bacon. Beautiful. Oh, it's looking good. Okay, so we're going to do these a quick flip. They're going over medium right now. We're going to put them together. Like that. We're gonna let that melt. Okay, it's melted enough for me. I'm hungry. So we're going to go like this. Put it on top of our sandwich. We're going to top it with our tomatoes. And we've got radish microgreens that I grow every day. Looks stunning, beautiful, love it. And my sandwich. Included in this video is going to be the rest of our chickens and how we got them in there and how happy they are, and just short videos on that. Thank you for joining me for a quick sandwich, breakfast sandwich on Family Cooking Life. Please like, please subscribe, and take care. Have a great Saturday. I'm eating.
Feeding the chicks.
Well, we got the chicks in the coop. All in. Kids are feeding them kale now. They're happy and healthy. We got some ice out here for hot days.
They're healthy.
Hey, Family Cooking Life, chicken's new home.
Yeah.
What do you think?
You want some of mine?
Oh, they're fighting.
They want up in there?
They just want their kale. Look at him jump. He jumps for it. Cute.
Hey, Dad, I want to close that.
No, because that's their home.
No.
They go inside there.